Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. Oh, un momento, por favor. Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. Beautiful day, as you can see. Take a look at the sky. Ooh la la. So, a little bit of maintenance. And I'm gonna take you with me on that one. Un momento, por favor. So, the thing is, I wanted to do, clean it out a little bit. Because I dropped some fluid some time ago. In the evening, emergency calls. See, the thing is, need to vacuum. This is a little bit loose. You see? It's come off somehow. So first I have to get out the ashtray. And then I screw those two little screws somewhere there. And there must be another one over here in the corner. So I wanted to do that, so un momento por favor, and see if we can get in there. It's all dirty. You see? A rusty bolt. Sometime fluid came in there. I'm gonna see if I can get it out. Oh, un momento, por favor. Ah, back at it again. Un momento. Eerst this, then that. It's not magnetic. I have to have a magnetic one. And the same one, because this one and that one aren't the same. Oh, it doesn't even fit. Okay, un momento, I have to get another screwdriver. Back at it again. Another screwdriver, already test fitted it. This one perfectly. Don't know if it's magnetic. Yeah, even magnetic. That is what we want, guys. Hope we got a magnetic screw here. You never know. Yes! Ah. Lay that down there. We can get this one out, I think. Or maybe now we need to get the radio out? Nah. Probably. Didn't know we need to get the radio out, but nah. Put the radio back. Put this one out. So we now got a connector for the lights. Two. One is for the and the lights. You can get this one off easily. Yes. This is a light we can get out. You have to turn it, I think. Yes. A light bolt. I'm gonna put that aside. Close the door. Yeah. Now this one comes out. Can give it a good clean. Okay. Now, how are you gonna get this out of the sheet? Oh. Can put it in the middle. It's dirty, guys. Oh. Well, that needs to clean. There's a light bolt and a switch. Take you with me. Let's see. How does it look? See, the thing is, we gotta glue this one together. So we need to get this one out. Take a picture. Possible, I think. Yeah. Picture taken. clean it out, get a vacuum and something. Dismantle this. Look guys, it's not so netjes, huh? So un momento por favor. See if I can get it out. Okay guys, take a look. Got some corrosion, need some cleaning. White powder. The light came out. Look at this, how dirty. Need some air. I can get this one loose. Oh, un momento por favor. Well guys, I vacuumed her out and now I'm gonna use some compressed air. So, un momento por favor. Now I'm gonna attack it with a little bit soapy water and a brush. Starting there. Un momento. I did everything. So I spray on the, not like but on here, and then I clean it a little bit like this. Oh, so dirty. Yes, yes, yes. And then when I've done that, no need too much water in it, of course. I'm gonna get my how do you call it, towel? Well, it's a special towel. It's a cloth free, how do you call it? It's a microfiber cloth. Only use microfiber cloth. So looks like it. A bit under there. So this is going to be the idea. Un momento por favor. Okay, I cleaned it out as good as I could. Looks very nice-ish, even in there. Quite content. Now we have to see if we can, or we get a new one, or fix it temporarily. See, those new ones are pretty expensive. So, un momento, I'm gonna go inside, drink some coffee. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's pretty clean already. Leave that for now. Next week, or this week, probably in the evening, maybe Wednesday evening, we're gonna have some rumble. Oh, I'm so excited for that. I would like to hear some rumble. And let her breathe a little bit better. So, thank you for watching. It's a small one. So, see you in the next ride. So now I need to give this some attention. So, un momento. I don't know if you can see it. Back at it again. Glued one side and the other side. Now this side needs to be glued. I had my dinner already. It's been sitting here for about an hour. I don't know. This is the other side. Looks quite compressed. And what did I use? Bijon. Yeah, I don't know how. Maybe I get a better new one, but doesn't pull out. It's not the best, but it's already not the best. Oh guys, shall we get it off? Shall we get it off? Have you seen? Oh. Yes. Ah, holding. Holding. Oh, un momento. Well, I was doing the test. Everything seems to work. I can build it up now. Clean it there, and I cleaned it there, and clean the buttons. Still working. Oh, not now. Now it's not working. That one is. Un momento. Well, got it back in. A little bit polished, a little bit cleaned.